Hey guys, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the iCUE Shield Matte Screen Protector for the Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. For any of you that have followed me for any amount of time, you know that I am a huge fan of iCUE Shield screen protectors. I use them, and I use them on every device. This is my first time using the matte protector, and I have to say I have been very, very pleasantly impressed. I've used their standard protectors, and I have never had a problem with them. I've always loved them. However, the matte protector adds just a little bit more here to it, just making it a little bit easier to see outside, makes it a little bit more privacy focused, it makes it harder to see at certain angles, and it just looks great. Both versions of the screen protector go on super easy. The process is very straightforward, and it's very forgiving. If you mess up, you can peel it off, and you can put it right back on again. The screen protector box comes with everything you need in it. You have the screen protector itself. You have a backup screen protector so that if you happen to damage it or if you have a hard time installing it, you have a backup one there. It comes with your spray that you use to put it on. Comes with your little squeegee there, as well as your wipes and your dust stickers, as well as your microfiber cloth. It also comes with a little instruction booklet here, tells you how to put it on, gives you some links to installation videos, and it has information on their lifetime warranty. It is my favorite screen protector for a variety of reasons. My main reason is because it protects my device, it looks good, and I never have to replace it. Most tempered glass or plastic screen protectors, after a little bit of using them, they get dropped, they get dinged, they get scratched, they get damaged when you put a case on or take the case off. These screen protectors never have that issue. For any of you who have followed me for any amount of time, you know that I review a ton of cases on my channel. And this screen protector here has been used in just about every single case video that I've done for this phone. And as you can see here, it is still in pristine condition. There are no crinkles on the edges, there's no damage to it. This thing just looks amazing. You'll also see here has a little cutout for your front-facing camera as well as for your front-facing audio, so there's no loss in audio quality or picture quality. The installation process is super easy, it's super straightforward, it's super forgiving, there's no problems with it. If you do happen to damage the screen protector, like I said, it does come with an extra here, but odds are you're probably not going to need it. I would definitely recommend checking out the links I have in the description down below. I'll have a link to the regular as well as to the matte protector. If you guys need any help installing it, if you guys have any questions about the screen protector, if you have any questions about the Pixel 9 or the Pixel 9 Pro, please feel free to leave a comment and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you guys have enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.